Welcome, in front of me I have Huawei P40 Lite, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So I just scanned my fingerprint, and right now let's make the first try to check if it is working. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's make like the 5 tries and let's see what is going to happen. As you can see, it's very fast. I think that is one of the fastest fingerprint sensors that I ever use. It surprised me, to be honest. And this phone is really cheap, and this fingerprint sensor works really good. Wow, it works every time and it's very fast, so I can recommend you this unlock method on this smartphone for sure. And it's faster than face recognition. Wow, that's nice. So yeah, that's how the fingerprint sensor works on the Huawei P40 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.